Hi everyone! If you are building your website with SpreadSimple, you might need some help in understanding the usage of replacement tags, especially for beginners. No worries, our step-by-step guide explains the whole process in detail. Let's start. Your website's address is its URL, Uniform Resource Locator, which includes query parameters attached to its end. They provide additional information to a web server when making requests and define specific content or actions based on the data being passed. The actual data and navigational elements are defined by special markers called replacement tags. The query parameters are added to the end of a URL after the question mark sign. In cases requiring several parameters, they should be united with the ampersand sign. As I have briefly mentioned, query params provide additional information to a web server when making requests and define specific content or actions based on the data being passed. Let's figure out what that actually means in real-world context. The first and the most obvious function is personalization. For example, you can send an email including a link to a website made with SpreadSimple with a UTM tag or any other param. In this case, the customer will be addressed by name or the website title will include a specific niche name. Adding UTM tags to the order data helps track and analyze sources where your customers come from. Pre-filling the checkout fields with URL parameters can save time for users by automatically populating the form with their information. To set up replacement tag add-on on SpreadSimple, go to the Add-ons tab, URL replacement tag and switch on the Enable toggle. Don't forget to also enable the option to store the UTM and var params in the browser. Otherwise, both types of params will be lost after the page is refreshed. Select the storage type. There are two options: Session Only and Persistent. Session Only stores replacement tags only during the session on the website. Persistent means that the replacement tags will be kept for until the user clears cookies. Using URL replacement tags on your digital platform helps personalize website experience. After enabling the add-on, select the necessary options. Whether you want to remove the UTM and var params from the URL. If needed, enable the debug mode. You don't necessarily need to enable it, but the mode is very useful for checking if the changes have been applied correctly. Next, open your website in a new tab and add a var param. For example, var name John. Don't forget to refresh the website. Note that you can use only the params starting with the var or UTM. Now, enable the debug mode and open the developer console to check if the added param is there. As you can see, even though the param was removed from the URL, it is still stored. You can also add the customer's name to the website subtitle in the Page Subtitle section. Go to the Design tab and choose Page Subtitle, add text and the tag var name and the default value friend. As always, save the changes, refresh the website page and check out the results. Another great use case is showing customers regionally specified data. For example, your delivery service is located in New York, so you can segment customers by boroughs, which can be shown anywhere on the page where Markdown is applicable, like text before cards, text after cards, footer, and so on. Obviously, there are a host of analytics tools for tracking the visit sources, but URL replacement tags add-on will do a good job as well. Add a UTM tag to the website URL to see it in order notifications and check it in the developer console. After you confirm that the tag is stored and ready to use, add it to the email notifications template. Go to the Checkout tab and Email Notifications. If a customer reached your platform through the link that had this UTM tag and purchased some product, it will be shown in the email notification. Nowadays, many restaurants use QR codes set on the tables to make the food ordering process faster and easier for the customers. Start by selecting Session Only as the storage type in the add-on settings. Next, add the table number as a query param to the website URL. Add the replacement tag to the homepage intro. This information will also be reflected in the order form. Check out how it works. After scanning the QR code, you are directed to the order form with the table number where you add the items. While usually, most of your website information is added to your Google Sheets, the replacement tags can only be added to certain areas on the website and the message templates of the add-ons such as title, subtitle, website headline, homepage content, footer, content pages, email notifications, order receipts, checkout form and cart preview, thank you page, WhatsApp add-on, and external action checkout add-on. By the way, if you enjoy the effortless process of website building with SpreadSimple, you can now also earn financial profit. Join our affiliate program, recommend SpreadSimple to your friends, and get 30%. Help promote our product and earn your reward. You will find the link below. If you are looking for more in-depth tips on how to build your website with SpreadSimple, visit our help page and check other videos on our YouTube channel. If this tutorial was useful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with others, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss a new tip. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!